What's up YouTube, Pat the Car Guy here at Gresham Toyota with our 2011 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara package. This one is a manual transmission, save the manuals. It's got alloy wheels, it's the 4-door model, it's a Jeep, so of course the tops come off, fog lights up front, really great condition. I love the little Jeep emblem on the wheels. Running boards. So it has the upgraded stereo package. Big size back seat. Car does have keyless entry. All your power window options. Even has a built-in inverter. Like I said, 6-speed manual transmission. It is 4-wheel drive. Cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone. 72,181 miles. My name is Patrick over here at Gresham Toyota. You can reach me anytime at 503-875-5938. Have a great day.